Here's a Google Pixel 9a, and you have an issue where you're stuck on a screen somewhere. Maybe the screen is frozen, you're stuck on one app, and you're not able to restart or power down the normal way. Maybe you can't bring up this power off menu. Maybe you tap on restart or power off and it does nothing, okay? So what you can do to fix that is simply force the phone to restart, okay? Forcing the phone to restart is easy. It's a 2-key combination. You want to press and hold 2 buttons, the power button and the volume up. You want to press and hold both buttons together and just keep holding until the phone boots up, okay? So let's pretend I'm stuck here on an app or whatnot, or my screen's frozen, and we're going to force restart it. Power button, volume up, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons and keep holding. Don't worry about what's on the screen here. Continue to hold those both buttons. Just wait. Just wait. Now, once the phone turns off, you can go ahead and let go, and it'll turn back on by itself. So you're going to have to wait a moment here. So be patient. And there we go. We're back in business.